Hey guys, it's Matt with ContractorHUB, and today we're going to look at employee assessments. Now, those employee assessments, we're talking about things like Working Genius, DISC assessments, or Culture Index, a couple of those different types of assessments. So if you do use those assessments with your employees, then this is a place that you can hold all their results, get alerts if they're about to expire, set expiration dates for them, so we can continually monitor how somebody is changing throughout their career. So let's go ahead and look into it. It's going to be in the people module, and then under team management, you're going to go to the employees tab. And once you go to the employees tab, then you're going to see the assessments in the sub tab. So you go into the sub tab. Now we're going to see we have three different types set up on this account. We have a DISC, a Working Genius, and a Culture Index. So this is where, again, you can track all of your employees in the organization, keep all their DISC. You notice nobody has an assessment set up. So let's go ahead and set up a new assessment, maybe for a Working Genius. Working Genius is a great one. I live by this one. Started this many years ago. It's a Patrick Lencioni one. I highly suggest the book, The Working Genius. He's got an amazing model for determining what frustrates you and what actually you have fun doing at work. So let's go ahead and create a new result. So I'm going to select Working Genius. I'm going to add I'm going to go select the Working Genius, and I'm going to add a result here. And once we add that result, I can select the employee that result is for, what date they completed it. And then we're going to see the geniuses that they have. So maybe they're wonder invention, maybe they are discernment and galvanizing on their competencies, and maybe their frustrations are enablement and tenacity. So that's actually mine. So that's why I know that one so quickly. Who it was administered by, these are optional. We can set expiration dates. Like I said, we could say maybe, hey, let's do this for August 1st, 2027, and put any notes there. So then once we save that Working Genius assessment, we're going to notice he's going to pop up in here with when it's completed, when it was expired. You can then click into the employee's name, and it's going to show you their work profile. So you're going to get the whole Working Genius assessment. It's going to give you some assessments and insights of what that profile means for that employee. So we're going to see what their geniuses are, what their competencies are, what their frustrations are, what that means. And then we're going to find some ways that we can keep Brandon engaged. So here are some ways to do it: facilitate a creative workshop, maybe schedule some monthly innovation check-ins, so on and so forth. We can also look at a playbook for managers to be able to see what their strengths are, what things to watch out for, how to communicate best, and then ways to work with them. And then if you have additional questions, we can ask this. I can just chat with AI, and then it's going to give me some insights on, would he be a good crew lead? Probably not, because he doesn't have that enablement or tenacity. That enablement and tenacity are important. It gets things across the finish line. So being somebody leading a crew in the field and not having, or having it as a frustration of enablement and tenacity, means that they're likely not going to be able to carry projects all the way through to the end, and there's going to be a lot of strings hanging. So that's always something. So if you have any questions, you can ask specific questions to it. There's some little quick questions as well. So that's a little bit about the assessments. So if you have any questions, reach out to customer success. They'll be able to help you. Other than that, we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks so much, guys.